You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this brand name of telescopes for beginners. If you want to learn more confusing names from anatomy, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up. Stay tuned. Celestron, English pronunciation, se. Some may say se or sa. Stress on the second syllable, that's the point. Celestron, English pronunciation, how to pronounce Celestron. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.